Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Schlegel's Bagels. Today, we're going to be making pancakes. No Gatorade, just the ingredients you see before you. We're going to need 2 cups of Bisquick pancake mix, 1 1/3 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. First, crack the eggs into a small bowl and beat them. Then the pancake mix, the milk, and the eggs into a larger bowl and mix them until combined. Add the baking soda, the vegetable oil, the vanilla extract, and the sugar and mix them into the batter. Spray the pan with cooking spray and pour a medium amount of batter onto the pan. Add chocolate chips if desired. Okay guys, so I just finished making the first pancake. I think might as well dig in, see how it tastes. Oh. Tastes a bit dry. It's pretty thin. If you don't want thin pancakes, I suggest adding 1 cup of milk instead of 1 1/3 cup. I feel like that could make it a bit thicker. But all in all, I'd say this is 8 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Well guys, all in all, I'd say that was a pretty successful learning experience for both of us. We made pancakes. I think I made too much. I have a lot left, so I have no idea what to do with it. As I said, the pancakes were about 7 out of 10. They were too dry, they fell apart too easily. The taste was good. I suggest Krusty's pancake mix and water. I feel like it's a lot easier. Same taste. If you want to try it, be my guest. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time on Schlegel's Bagels.